to show you the 2020 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rear window defroster. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.